Are you wondering why RAK ICC is considered to be one of the most reputed jurisdictions to form an offshore company? Hi, I'm Eva from Business Setup Worldwide, where we help individuals and businesses expand internationally by bringing forth the best global business solutions. In this video, I will share all the benefits of offshore company formation in RAK. Firstly, Ras Al Khaimah Offshore offers access to the UAE double tax treaty network with over 115 countries to mitigate double taxation. Moreover, bilateral investment treaties offer investment protection as well. Global reputation for ease of doing business, cost-effective offshore company formation, no paid-up capital required, no auditing or reporting requirements, confidentiality, opening a bank account in the UAE's mature banking network or worldwide. Ideal for conducting international businesses and asset protection. 100% foreign ownership. Only one director or shareholder required. Registered office in Dubai. All these already make RAK a lucrative offshore incorporation choice. However, I saved the best one for the end. When it comes to tax advantages, the companies in RAK are exempt for any form of taxation or withholding taxes in the UAE. 0% corporate tax, 0% VAT, 0% wealth tax, 0% income tax, 0% inheritance tax, 0% sales tax. We at BSW provide business setup solutions and world-class management consulting. Our expert consultants will provide strategic guidance at every stage of your offshore company formation. Subscribe to our channel today to get regular updates on business setup solutions.